So, did you poo-poo on yourself? You lying?
No, it's Miles lying.
Miles lying?
Yeah.
How he lying? What he said?
He said, "Ow!" Yeah. He said, "Ow."
So, did you poo-poo on yourself?
Yeah.
Miles
So you
said,
lied.
Miles said you poo-poo on yourself?
No.
He's scared.
Did Miles say you poo-poo on yourself?
Yeah.
So, you lying.
I'm not lying. Miles lying.
No, because you say you didn't poo-poo on yourself. So that means that you're lying.
So you're lying.
So you lying?
Lying. No. Miles lying.
Oh my goodness. Mason, you poo-pooed on yourself, and you told me you didn't. So that means you're lying.
No. I'm not lying. Miles lying.
Mason, did you poo-poo on yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
Why you lying?
I'm not lying. Miles lying.
All right, Mason.
That's his answer to
Go ahead.
everything.
Go ahead.